Hi there, welcome to today's Tabata. I am doing a little bit of a salsa flair today. So the music's a little bit fast. We're going to be using some really light weights, or you can use soup cans or no weights at all. So grab your equipment, get ready, and we're going to get started. So we'll be doing 3 different exercises today. And I'll give you a demo. So the first one will be a lunge, stationary lunge with holding the arms, a little bit of a pulse and a punch. So you want to have light weights for this. You don't want too heavy. You can skip the weights if you want. And if your knees are bad, you can always do a squat like this and slow it down. And then we'll do the other side, down and lift. And then we're going to go into a tricep. So here with a kickback, back and back. Of course, it's going to be salsa music, so I'm going to be dancing a little bit. Might even go into a cumbia. You can do one arm or you can do both. And then the last exercise will be a overhead press with a side tap, or you can salsa style it with a salsa move. So are you ready? We're going to do this. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's start your workout.
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3,
into the lunge
2,
first.
1, go!
Little pulses if you want. Just go straight down. You don't want to be going
3, 2, 1, stop!
Changing legs. Core is engaged, shoulders back. Arms are ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Make sure you're breathing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Triceps are next. Elbows are up. Tap back.
3, 2, 1, go!
Great tap. Fast do one at a time.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Overhead press is next. Lift with a tap.
3, 2, 1, go!
Tap it out if you want. Or salsa. Lunge. Up tall. Core is engaged, shoulders are back. Arms ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Or slow it down if it's too fast. Other leg. Up tall. Hold your core. Shoulders back. Arms ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Feel this in your core too.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Triceps are next. Just that back. Shoulders down. One at a time if you want.
2, 1, go!
Moving it out. Those elbows up. But watch them down. Keep the shoulders down.
4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Last one. Overheads. Side lunge.
5,
Yes. Awesome job. I hope you've had fun with that Tabata. I love salsa, so it's always good for me. So stay tuned for more workouts and hit the subscribe button below and check the description box for any information on any of my programs. And we will see you later.